As a lawyer or accountant, you deal with endless paperwork, emails, and research. What if you had an AI assistant to handle those repetitive tasks for you? Enter ChatGPT. But is it really a game changer for your profession? Or just another tech trend? Let's find out. Stick around because in this video, I'll show you how ChatGPT can save you time, help with daily tasks, and make it easier to serve your clients. The best part? It's easier to use than you think. Once you see how it works, you'll be amazed at how much more time and money it can save you and your team. And don't worry, we know you're busy. That's why we're keeping these videos short and simple, so you can watch them on a break or between meetings. This is the first video in a step-by-step series that will help you get comfortable using ChatGPT. We'll start with the basics and over time, show you how to use it for more advanced tasks to improve your workflow. A lot of professionals worry that AI will replace them or that it's too complicated to use. But here's the truth. ChatGPT isn't here to replace you. It's here to make your job easier. Think of it like having an assistant who works 24/7, never takes a break, and helps with emails, research, and drafting documents. This frees up your time so that you can focus on strategy, clients, and making big decisions. ChatGPT is an AI-powered assistant created by OpenAI. It can understand your requests, process information, and generate responses that sound just like human writing. It's already being used in legal and financial industries to boost productivity, speed up workflows, and reduce manual tasks. What makes ChatGPT so useful is that it can adjust to your needs. Whether you need to draft contracts or analyze tax codes, ChatGPT can save hours of work each week. It's like having a smart assistant that never sleeps. Other AI tools exist, like Google Gemini, Claude by Anthropic, and Microsoft's Copilot. But ChatGPT stands out for its user-friendly interface, extensive integrations, and advanced features like memory and file uploads. And for the best experience, we recommend the Pro version, which is $20 a month. It gives you access to GPT-4, better performance, and advanced features like memory and file uploads. Since we'll be covering some of these Pro-only features in this series, upgrading will ensure you can follow along with everything we teach. And ChatGPT is also available as an app on Apple devices, so you can use it on the go, whether you're at the office or working remotely. So, how can you actually use ChatGPT in your daily work? Here are some real-world applications. For lawyers, you can draft contracts, client emails, and legal letters in minutes. Summarize legal documents and case law quickly. Or research laws and build arguments with AI-generated first drafts. For accountants, you might generate financial reports, tax filings, and year-end summaries automatically. Analyze new tax laws and regulations for accurate advice, or handle routine client emails and reminders efficiently. Let's look at some real-world examples. For lawyers, imagine you need to draft a non-disclosure agreement, an NDA. Normally, this might take 30 to 60 minutes, but with ChatGPT, you can have a solid first draft in under 2 minutes. Just add your firm's details, and it's ready. For accountants, now imagine you need to explain a new tax deduction to a client. Instead of spending 30 minutes crafting the perfect email, ChatGPT can generate a simple, clear explanation in seconds, making your communication more efficient. So here's some example prompts. For lawyers, it might be something like, write a simple non-disclosure agreement for a business client. Include confidentiality clauses, time limits, and dispute resolution terms. Or for accountants, it might be, explain the latest tax deduction changes for small businesses in simple terms, using examples for non-experts. Now that you know what ChatGPT is and how it can help, this is just the start. In the next video, we'll dive into prompting, how to ask ChatGPT the right way to get the best responses. For example, asking, summarize this contract might give you a vague answer, but asking, summarize this contract in 3 bulleted points, focusing on key obligations, will get you a much better response. A small change in how you ask can make a huge difference in what you get back. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and keep learning how to make AI work for you. And if you have questions about using ChatGPT in your work, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. See you in the next video, where we'll show you how to ask the best questions and get the most out of ChatGPT. Thank you.